Meaning of industrialist.
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 Industrialist. An industrialist is a person who owns or manages an industrial enterprise, such as a factory, mine, or oil rig. Industrialists oversee the production and distribution of goods and services on a large scale, often employing large numbers of workers and making significant contributions to the economy. They are typically motivated by profit and seek to maximize efficiency and productivity in their operations. In some cases, industrialists may also be involved in politics and public policy, advocating for policies that benefit their industries. Overall, industrialists play a significant role in shaping the modern economy and society.